I still blink in the sunset. You know I never wanna make you upset. How did I become so obsessed with this?
Hey guys, it's me, Geordie. Welcome back to another vlog type video. I don't know what I'm calling these yet, but anyway, today I'm going to be packing for my trip to somewhere up north, about 8 hours north of where I live. Yeah. So basically, I'm going to be packing. I'm going on this trip with my boyfriend and his family, and I'll probably be trying to shoot some like vlog footage and everything, and put a video together. So these next few weeks will probably be hectic with videos, depending. With a couple more gaming videos spread in between that are filmed from like a few months ago, and I've only just got around to editing them and everything. But yeah, so I'm going to be packing this thing. It's a Castro bag. Hashtag not sponsored. Please, Dad's company sponsor. But yeah. Anyway, so that's what we're going to be doing. So let's go. Also, a quick side note: if you hear any talking throughout in like the background that's other than me, that will be my boyfriend or my friends in the background, as I'll be on a call with them while I do this, because otherwise I will go crazy. So yeah. Okay, so this is a really sketchy setup, and it's probably going to fall over several times. So I may end up putting in a clip of that. Okay. But anyway. So basically I'm going to be packing for my trip and everything. So yeah. Whoa. Let's get into this. Alright, that's my bag packed. And it is very heavy. Whoops. You guys, I need to get in this cupboard actually. Okay, so basically, hi. I'm also going to be having a secondary bag of just... But basically, I'm going to be bringing another bag for in the car. Which bag was I telling you? This small one, because I literally take it everywhere with me. So that bag will be my MacBook, my iPad, my water bottle, my charger, both my chargers for my phone, all my cords, and my iPad, and my MacBook, I mean. And yeah, pretty sure that's it for that. Okay, so that was the packing of my clothes for my trip with my boyfriend. You could hear in the background that entire time. So yeah, thanks. But I did get to throw him. It's not often I get to say that, but I did throw him. I'm gonna let that sink in. He's not physically here with me, but I threw him. See if you can find somewhere in the video where I've thrown my boyfriend. I dare you. But yeah, so that was the video. And I hope you enjoyed that. Please stick around for the rest of this trip video, including the morning of the waking up at who knows what time to go meet up with the little munchkin and our trip up there. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.